In this video, we'll show you how to install scribbleb.net Enhanced for GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you want to use scripted mods in GTA 5 like custom missions, trainers, or new mechanics, you need to install scribbleb.net. And in this video, I'll show you how to install scribbleb.net Enhanced, which is an improved version of scribbleb.net. This will work on GTA 5 Legacy or Enhanced version, so you can follow this tutorial if you're on Legacy or Enhanced Edition. Just a quick heads up, mods is only for story mode and offline gameplay. So if you're trying to install mods, you can play GTA Online until you remove all of your mods and have a clean GTA 5 installation. Alright, to start, let's download scribbleb.net Enhanced. You can go to gta5mods.com and type in scribbleb.net Enhanced, but I'll put the link in the description so you can click on it and it will bring you here. So in this page, as you can see, it's available for Legacy and Enhanced, and what you need to do is just click download and then hit download again. It'll prompt the download to save it somewhere in your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. Hit save and the download will start. Now, if you go back and you scroll down, there is some requirements that you need to install to make sure everything works perfectly. So the first one is Microsoft.NET Framework. Second one is Microsoft Visual 2019. You can just click the link in the description of this page, but usually if you're on Windows 11, you already installed both of these. The next thing that you need is scribbleb. You can click the link here, or you can click the link in the description of this video to go to its official website and download it. I'll show you how to install it as well. So once you're here, just click download and save it somewhere on your PC. Now, if you're on GTA 5 Enhanced, you might need to install this as well, Direct Storage Fix, to help prevent script loading issues caused by how the game handles file streaming. So just hit download and hit download again and save it somewhere in your PC. Alright, now to show you that scribbleb.net Enhanced is working, I'll also install this script, enable all interiors, but this is optional. If you want to install another script, just go ahead and install that instead. And also, most script mod will require Lemon UI. I'll also put the link in the description, but once again, this is optional. You don't need to install Lemon UI if your script mod doesn't require it. Alright, after you finish downloading, you can go to your downloads folder, and now you'll have scribbleb.net Enhanced, scribbleb, and also Direct Storage Fix if you're on GTA 5 Enhanced. It's all in the zip file, so to open it up, you can use WinRAR or 7-zip, but if you're on Windows 11, you can just right click on it and then click extract all and then extract it. But for this video, I'll use WinRAR, which you can download for free. So let's start installing scribbleb and Direct Storage Fix first. Let's open up scribbleb zip file. Inside it, you want to go to the bin folder, and then what you need is xinput, scribbleb, dinput8, and args.txt. So for args, this is to disable BetterLI, which you can also disable from Rockstar Games Launcher. So just select these files, and what you need to do is just put them into your GTA 5 main directory. If you don't know where your GTA 5 directory is, if you're on Epic Games, you want to go to Library and then look for your GTA 5. On the right, click the three dots, hit Manage, and then click the folder icon and it will open up your GTA 5 install location. If you're on Steam, you're gonna do the same. Go to Library, look for your GTA 5, right click on it, go to Manage, and click on Browse Local Files. Now that you have your GTA 5 directory, what you need to do is just drag and drop it into your GTA 5 main directory. Just like that, and that's done for scribbleb. Now we can delete it. Next, if you're on GTA 5 Enhanced, we're gonna install Direct Storage Fix. You can open it up, and inside it, what you need is this ASI file. So just drag and drop it into your GTA 5 main directory, and it's already installed. Alright, now we're ready to install scribbleb.net Enhanced. Let's open it up. In the zip file, you'll have several files and also some folders. So first, what you need is this minhook DLL, scribbleb.net ASI, scribbleb.net INI, and also scribbleb.net 2 and 3. So depending on the script you want to install, it will require either scribbleb.net 2 or 3. But I recommend you to just install both of them, so you don't need to worry about it anymore. Now, after you select all of these, you need to put it into your main GTA 5 directory. So let's drag and drop it, and there we go. And that's done for the first part. At this point, you're good to go and you can start installing your script. But for good measure, you can also install the debug file. So let's open it up. Inside it, you'll have PDB files. And to install them, just like before, just drag and drop it into GTA 5 main directory, and everything is ready. Now I'll show you how to install scripts and run it with scribbleb.net Enhanced. So here, what I want to install is enable all interiors mod. So to install the scripts on your GTA 5, you'll need to create a new folder and name it scripts. So just right click, hit new, and then create a new folder and name it scripts, just like this. Okay, now let's open the zip file. And here for enable all interiors, what you need is all of these files except the download link and the readme file. Let's open up the scripts folder, and then you can drag and drop it like that, and that's done. If you have other scripts, you'll be installing it this way as well. So that's done. It also requires Lemon UI. For Lemon UI, we're going to use shvdn3. So let's open it up and then drag and drop it into your GTA 5 main directory, and everything is all done. But before you launch GTA 5, make sure you disable BetterLie. On Rockstar Games Launcher, you want to go to Settings and then make sure you uncheck BetterLie. Once you do that, you can go ahead and launch your game. Alright, we're in the game. Now, just to make sure everything is actually working, we're going to test the script mod that we just installed. For me, it's going to be Enable Interiors mod. So if everything we installed worked correctly, I should be able to load into custom interiors without any issues. That means scriptbookv.net Enhanced is working perfectly and your setup is good to go.